Your belly will look so flat that people will think you had liposuction. With 3 ingredients you have at home, you can start burning all that abdominal fat today. For this recipe, we'll need the juice of 2 lemons. Cut the peel into pieces, as we'll be using that too. Next, add a piece of ginger, the size shown in the demonstration. Cut it into small slices. Lastly, we'll use a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now, in a pot, heat a liter of water until it boils. Then lower the heat and add all the ingredients. Cook them on low heat for 10 minutes to release all their properties. After the time has passed, remove from heat and strain the mixture. We will have enough liquid for about 3 cups of this drink. How to take it? Drink 3 cups of this beverage throughout the day, preferably before meals. You can sweeten this drink by adding a spoonful of honey. Continue drinking this drink for 3 days. You made it this far. Drop a yes, I will try it. Thank you very much.